Good afternoon, guys. Can you believe it? I turned my backyard soil, as you can see, it's non-productive, into veggies. So guys, these are organic, healthy, without chemicals. What I'm gonna do, I'm going to harvest. So guys, this is how you harvest your dodo or leafy vegetable. This is amaranth, as you can see. It's so healthy and it's nice. Yeah, so I'm gonna continue until I finish. Guys, as you can see, yeah, that's so good and it's fresh. Right guys, more harvesting our dodo. Just pick. It's time to wash. It's good to wash the soil off, and after washing, we'll dry. Yeah, it just wash and then shake it off. That's good, and you can sort it too. Yeah. Give a sec, then you put it there. So that's really good. Shake the water. Yeah. Sort it out. Pretty. Easy. Look at that. It's so fresh, guys. Yeah. Green and so nice. Yeah.